Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here. Okay, so I got something very important for you all that you're not gonna wanna miss out on. As said by the title of this video, you can now reserve one of the new Galaxy S23 devices and the new Galaxy Book as well using my special link down in the description below. And if you reserve one of those devices, you can get $50 Samsung credit. If you reserve the new Galaxy Book by itself, you can get $50 Samsung credit. Or if you want to reserve both the Galaxy smartphone, the new Galaxy S23, whether it's the S23, S23 Plus, S23 Ultra, if you reserve one of those devices along with the Galaxy Book, then you can get $100 Samsung credit. And you can only take advantage of this deal using the special link that I have down in the description below. So this is something that you're not gonna wanna miss out on. There's no purchase necessary. You're not buying anything right now. This is just in case you do see yourself possibly purchasing one of these devices when they are finally released. And Samsung has put out a little teaser trailer that Unpacked is coming February 1st, which is just weeks away. That's really not that long. I mean, time is going to fly right by, and we are going to be at February 1st, where Samsung is going to unveil their new Galaxy S23 devices and this Galaxy Book as well. Like I said, I'll have a link down in the description below so you can go and reserve that. Do it right now. Go click that link, with Unpacked right around the corner. It's getting me more excited for these devices. I know when it comes to the new S23 Ultra, it's pretty much going to look like, the Galaxy S22 Ultra. But as far as looks, so yeah, they're gonna be the same. But as far as the internals go, there are going to be some upgrades. So if you have an S22 Ultra, yeah, a lot of people might not see it as being worth the upgrade. But if you have an S21, S20, heck, even an S10 or maybe another device, then this phone will definitely be worth the upgrade, especially since Samsung teased a feature that's coming with their cameras. I'm sure the cameras are going to be greatly improved, but they're really pushing for the nighttime stuff. So when it comes to nighttime photos, it's definitely going to be improved, and nighttime video as well. It's teased that there is going to be a nighttime hyperlapse video feature. So if you leave your phone sitting there, during the evening and into the night, it'll capture this full video from going from day to nighttime, and you'll be able to see the stars. It's going to create this hyperlapse video that is supposed to look really, really good. Now that alone gets me excited to try out the cameras on the new Galaxy S23 Ultra. But again, don't miss out on this deal. I'll have a link down in the description below. Again, go reserve your device. You don't want to miss out because there have been times where people will go and try to purchase the device and the dates get pushed back. They don't receive it on time. At least with this reservation, you do have that opportunity to purchase your device on time and receive it on time when it does go live. So go reserve your new Galaxy device. Let me know down in the comment sections below if you do so. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Who is excited for the new Samsung devices to come? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.